Why do 90% of PSP modders pick ARK-4 over the old-school CFWs? It's reliable, feature-packed, and brick-resistant. Here's how to get it running safely on your device. First things first, make sure your PSP is on firmware 6.60 or 6.61, and grab a trusty memory stick. Download the latest ARK-4 from the official GitHub. Plug your PSP into your PC, enable USB mode, and copy the ARK_01234 folder to /PSP/Savadata and ARK_loader to /PSP/game. Want it permanent? Add ARK_CIPL to /PSP/game too. Now disconnect, head to the game menu, and launch the ARK loader. Congrats, that's temporary CFW. For the full upgrade, run the ARK-CIPL app right after. Your PSP will reboot with ARK-4 loaded for good. Want advanced features? Hold select during boot for the recovery menu. Here, you can tweak plugins, manage settings, or reset VSH in a snap. Final tip, use the custom launcher for themes, FTP, and more. Plus, update ARK-4 straight from your PSP. Mod responsibly, drop a like and sub for more PSP